You are welcome to Digitizing.com, the channel dedicated to turning your creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com. Visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about why is my embroidery machine not reading the design file? Embroidery machines are indispensable tools for hobbyists and professionals alike, enabling them to create intricate and personalized designs with ease. However, encountering issues like your embroidery machine not reading the design file can be frustrating and time-consuming. Understanding the causes behind this problem and how to resolve them is crucial to ensuring a smooth and efficient embroidery process. The main objective here is to help you identify the root cause and implement solutions to keep your machine running without interruptions. 1. File format compatibility. One of the most common reasons embroidery machines fail to read design files is an incompatible file format. Different machines require specific file types, such as PES, DST, JEF, or XP. If the design file isn't in a format supported by your machine, it won't load properly. Solution: check your machine's manual or manufacturer's website to determine the correct file format. Use embroidery software to convert the design file into a compatible format if necessary. 2. Corrupted or incomplete files. A corrupted or incomplete design file can prevent your machine from reading it. This can occur if the file was improperly downloaded, transferred, or saved. Solution: re-download the file from a trusted source or check for file integrity before transferring it to your machine. Avoid using damaged USB drives or SD cards. 3. Incorrect file placement on storage devices. Embroidery machines often require design files to be placed in specific folders or directories on USB drives or memory cards. Placing files in the wrong location may cause the machine to ignore them. Solution: follow your machine's guidelines for file organization. Usually, the files need to be in the root directory or a designated folder like embroidery or designs. 4. Outdated machine firmware. Sometimes older firmware versions may not support newer file formats or design features, leading to compatibility issues. Solution: visit the manufacturer's website to check for firmware updates. Update your machine's firmware to ensure it supports the latest design formats and functionalities. 5. Large or complex design files. Overly large or complex designs with excessive stitch counts can overwhelm the embroidery machine's processing capabilities. Solution: use embroidery software to simplify the design by reducing stitch count, removing unnecessary layers, or resizing the design to fit within the machine's limits. 6. Issues with the storage device. Problems with USB drives, memory cards, or cables used to transfer design files can also cause errors. The machine might not recognize the device or its contents. Solution: use high-quality, compatible storage devices. Format the device to the file system recommended by the manufacturer, for example, FAT32. Avoid using drives with excessive wear or damage. 7. Design not centered or aligned properly. Some machines may not read files if the design isn't properly centered or aligned within the hoop area in the software. Solution: use embroidery software to ensure the design is aligned with the hoop's parameters. Save and re-export the file after making adjustments. 8. Machine-specific settings. Certain embroidery machines have unique settings or restrictions that can affect file compatibility. For example, some machines require the design name to follow specific naming conventions. Solution: refer to the machine's manual for any special requirements, such as naming rules or specific design attributes. Conclusion: understanding why your embroidery machine isn't reading a design file can save time and frustration. By addressing issues like file format compatibility, corrupted files, and firmware updates, you can ensure a seamless embroidery experience. Regular maintenance and adherence to manufacturer guidelines will keep your machine performing at its best and your creative projects on track. If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust Digitizing.com to deliver accuracy, creativity, and professional results. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit and debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com. Visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.